Introducing the Delta Point Water Saver for use in resistance welding cells. Delta Point protects the quality of critical welds by monitoring cooling water to weld tips and transformers. The heart of the system are two vortex-shedding flowmeters tuned at every point to match each other's calibration. Delta Point flowmeters measure flow by frequencies of vortices and have no moving parts to stick or jam. The result is high reliability and low maintenance. Competing water savers that use mechanical flow meters are easily fouled by particulate or coating due to water conditions. The Delta Point monitors flow into and out of the cell. In the event of a leak, a fault command is sent to the robot and the flow is shut off. Variation in overall flow will not cause a false trip because the in and out flow remains consistent. Output options include simple switching contact or device net protocol. Optional alarm outputs available for low flow or overheated water, both possibly leading to poor cooling. We have many successful installations, often replacing inferior mechanically based systems. Proprietary design and manufacturing technique allows for low pricing. Please give us your contact information so we can install a trial unit in your plant today.